So our this year new initiative is we want to focus on equal job opportunity for all the special needs children. First, basically our mission and vision is we want to enhance the confidence in the special needs children. We want to support their family, and also we want to create awareness among the society on the special needs community. They don't need the special needs community, don't need our sympathy or empathy. They just need our understanding, support, and they need our help. To all of you out there, thank you very much for the support. Keep on sharing those who are in the social media. Okay, thanks. Thank you.
Thank you for being our silver sponsor. GK Bio International St. Dylan Bernhard。
没有，我差不多每年都有参加。
我参与8年了，所以不一样的感觉，之前是没有这样子的。
I'm feeling great. Kita enjoy jalan melalui Jongko Walk semua until here 啦。
我觉得这个是 Autism 嘛，所以我们是应该支持很好的一个活动。有啊，刚才我有买啊。
PKP 最近好像是去年啊。
我是去东法蒂玛 Morning Walk 的时候，有人在那边好像是 promote 啦，还是 something like that。
So I think I like to try this product 啦。
做出来。